Hey there again, Tulsa. I'm Jonathan Witte, General Manager for the Oliveto Italian Bistro here at 91st and Memorial. Today we're going to make our fantastic crispy chicken sandwich. This chicken sandwich starts off with a buttermilk battered chicken breast. It's served on a toasted brioche bun with fresh mozzarella cheese, shaved red onions, sliced Roma tomatoes, dill pickle slices, and the sauce we use for this one is a roasted garlic dill aioli sauce. Let's head back to the kitchen and we'll make one together. Our chicken sandwich starts with a thinly pounded chicken breast. This makes the chicken more tender and ensures that it cooks evenly. After we pound the chicken breast, we marinate it in a sun-dried tomato vinaigrette dressing. Next, we hand bread each chicken breast in seasoned flour, buttermilk, then back into the seasoned flour before frying it to a golden brown. While our chicken is cooking, let's make our roasted garlic dill aioli sauce. For those of you wondering, aioli is just a fancy word for a flavored mayonnaise-based sauce. This sauce is so good and really complements the chicken sandwich. To make the aioli, we'll add 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of roasted garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped dill, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and pepper. Stir it up well and you're ready to go. It looks like our chicken is done. And remember, when cooking at home, your chicken needs to reach at least 165 degrees. Now let's go build our crispy chicken sandwich. First, we'll stack 3 Roma tomato slices, a 1/4 ounce of shaved red onions, and 2 slices of our fresh mozzarella cheese. We'll broil these in our pizza oven until the tomatoes start to wilt and the cheese becomes soft. At the same time, let's go ahead and toast our brioche bun. To build the sandwich, we'll add a generous amount of our roasted garlic dill aioli sauce to both sides of our toasted bun. Next, we'll add 3 dill pickle slices to the bottom bun, followed by our crispy chicken breast. Finally, we'll slide our tomato onion mozzarella mixture on top of the chicken and then place our brioche bun on top. This sandwich is extremely popular and very filling. It's definitely something you'll crave for lunch and dinner. So there you have it, Oliveto's delicious crispy chicken sandwich. If this entree looks good to you, let us make one for you today. Call or order online at olivetobistro.com for our friendly curbside service. If you prefer delivery, you can always use one of our delivery partners, DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to feeding you soon.